Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of this video. Now, this looks pretty cool. There's a lot going on this plane here. Does not seem like it has landing gear installed yet, but you could put them on there. That's what it looks like. From here, the battery hatch is right here. Let's see what kind of battery they have in there. Looks quite hefty for a tiny plane like this. The propeller is on the back here, as you can see there. And I have to put that, close that hatch real quick. So it has, whoa, it has a lot of steering stuff. It looks like it's mounted on correctly, so hopefully it'll have a little bit more lift. And so hopefully I won't crash it immediately. There's some, this looks kind of rubbery, which is good, but I'll probably break it the second I smash into something. But hey, look at that, that's cool, I love this. They should have more birds with these cool stickers on them. I like it. I like it.
Likey.